Hello guys, today I am making butter chickens in a German pressure cooker. First time. Let's see, it's gonna be the same taste as in India or here it's different in this pressure cooker. Here I have 1.5 kilo chickens, breast and legs together. I washed them and now I'm going to marinate. First we adding the 1 tablespoon, 1.5 tablespoon salt in 1.5 kilo. If you have 1 kilo chicken, then just half the 1 spoon is enough. Second, I am adding the chili powder. My family don't eat so much spice, so I'm just adding this much chili powder only. 2 spoons of garlic and ginger paste. This is the food color, just a little for a better color for the butter chicken. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, the green lime juice, and 300 grams yogurt. I separate all the water from the yogurt, so it's become very thick yogurt here, you can see. And then you marinate it. It's better to have a food gloves. You can use food gloves to marinate it and keep it for 30 minutes in the fridge. Here's my all marinate chickens. Is really hard work, but believe me, it's gonna be really interesting result. Okay, I'm starting making gravy, butter chicken gravy in the pressure cooker. Here how it works. So we put it in 30 minutes. Okay, we started. Here we go. Give 2 minutes to heat up. Okay, start heating. So I'm adding 1 cup of oil and also a big spoon of butter, salty butter. Now I'm adding 4 big size onions in a slice like this. Adding cardamom, 10 pieces for the good fragrance, and the maize flour is called javitri in Hindi in India. So just 2 pieces is also for fragrance. Cook them until they become very soft. Don't burn them and don't make them brown, overburn, just until they become soft. Now the onion is become soft, and here I am adding 5 big tomatoes. 5 big tomatoes in 1.5 kilo chicken. In here I am adding ginger garlic paste, the small tablespoon 3 in 1.5 kilo chicken. 1.5 tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon chili powder, but I am using a little because we don't eat so much spice, and 1/2 spoon turmeric. You can add 1 spoon. We don't eat too much spice, so I'm just adding 1/2 spoon turmeric powder. Here now I'm adding coriander. You can add how much you want. I'm just adding this amount. Now I'm adding the cashew nuts here, 35 to 40 pieces in 1.5 kilo chicken. So if you're cooking 1 kilo, I think 20 pieces enough. We're going to cook it until the oil come on the surface. So I think 20 minutes around. Let's see. Here tomato and onion, everything is now enough soft, so we have to make fine paste. Here is my paste. I'm making paste in a grinder, very fine paste. My paste is ready here. For the butter chicken, I'm gonna heating up a little, adding cream, water, butter. I will show. Now we're going to heat up or roast it our chicken here, the marinade chicken. You can use fry pan, or you can use oven, or you can use any grillings. So we don't have any grilling, so I'm just heating it on fry pan. I will show how. 4 or 5 spoons of oil just to make it wet. I think it's enough because I have 1.5 kilo chicken. Here I'm grilling my chickens. This is the perfect color here. So you have to make this all from all around. Here you can see some grilling sign, that means it's ready. So here is ready and here I have to cook again. So this 2 pieces is ready. So you have to make all chicken is like that. The grill mark on the top. Here my chicken is ready. All are grilled almost. And I'm going to add in my gravy and add hot waters, and you can make like how many gravy you want, how much thickness you want. It's all up to you. So I will show you how much I'm adding water inside and how it's look like. So I add my butter chicken in this big pot because my pressure cooker pot is not enough. So I add it here. But if you have 1 kilo or less than a kilo chicken, you can make in this pressure cooker. Here I add 2 cups water because we are 5 people, so it's gonna be enough. You can see how thickness is my curry. I think it's enough. Now I'm adding here fenugreek leaves. It's also called methi, kasturi methi in India. I roast it in a fry pan just to get a good flavor, just a little, and then crush by your hand and then mix inside your butter chicken. Here now I'm adding garam masala. It's only available in Indian store and it's all spices is a mix inside. Just 1 spoon. Now I'm adding tomato ketchup here, like 1.5 kilo, so I think 5 spoons. I'm using this tomato ketchup. Butter chicken is almost ready. I'm now adding cream, fresh cream inside. You can also use your homemade creams. So I'm using these creams. So 1.5 kilo chicken, I'm using 3 to 4 spoon fresh cream. Here guys, my butter chicken is ready. And I already taste it. It's super yummy. And my neighbors came and they're saying, wow, what you're cooking, the smell is so nice. So I share my butter chicken with them and they appreciate it. So thank you for watching this video. Mwah. Hello Philip, I made butter chicken today and rice and green peas rice. So if you are coming tomorrow, most welcome.